Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you followed our previous video on adding infrastructure locations in the Visp IRM, then you're ready for the next step, adding your actual equipment. Let's dive in. Navigate to the 9-dot menu and select the Equipment tab. Click on Inventory Profile, and then click on the blue plus sign with the Inventory Profile label. Add the basic profile information, the model, the manufacturer, the SKU, the description, and you can leave metered unchecked as long as the item is not like a cable or a fiber optic wire that is measurable in meters. Click on the Add button in the lower right corner. You can click on Delete Profile as long as the inventory is not being used. Navigate to the Equipment Profiles tab and click on the blue plus sign labeled Create Equipment Profile. Select Access Point or AP for the type and add a brief description. In the Metadata section, add, remove, or adjust metadata fields as necessary. If you can see an Event Scripting Engine section, this will be covered in a separate video. Click on the Add button in the lower right corner, and you can close the drawer. Click on the Vendors tab and click on the blue plus sign labeled Create Vendor. Fill in the vendor details like the vendor name, vendor contact, company, and an address, an email, and a phone number. And when you're done, click on the Add button to save the vendor. Add additional vendors using the Add Vendor button. Click the Save button to continue. Navigate to the IRM section and go to the Inventory tab. Click the gray plus sign labeled Add Inventory and select the location where you're going to put your devices. Choose the inventory profile you created. Enter the receive date, the purchase price, as well as the notes about the specific equipment. Under the Add Stock section, toggle Same Equipment Profile if applicable. Select the equipment profile from the drop-down and start adding the serial numbers. And click the Save button when you're done. And close the drawer. So that is the process for creating the inventory profiles and adding the devices in the system. Subscribe for more Visp IRM tutorials. And remember to leave a comment if you have additional questions or concerns. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.